Good evening, everyone. This is Jyotsna Kaur Habibullah, and we from Lucknow Farmers Market are hosting Faiz Siddiqui, the co-founder of Mitti Se. Faiz is a chemical engineer from HPTI Kanpur, and he specializes in oils, surfactants, and health. He's also a health and safety expert from Nibosh, England, and his area of interest particularly has been sustainable innovations and the environment. He has been the chief formulator and he's the head of innovation at Mitti Se. And Mitti Se is an amazing brand that I myself have been using, and I'm so happy they are our partners at Lucknow Farmers Market for the last number of years. It's wonderful to have you here, Faiz. Talk to us about your journey and what has brought you here.
Thank you so much, Jyotsna. Thank you so much, Lucknow Farmers Market. It's like a family, and it's always been like very exciting to be with you and to associate with Lucknow Farmers Market. So it's been a very long and interesting. We have started in 2015. With a brand called Mitti Se, and with the initiative to give 100% natural substitutes for unsustainable chemicals, unsustainable processes, and making life easy and sustainable, which is like good for yourself, good for your future. So
which is the first product that made you realize that you have to develop a sustainable alternative? Because I've been using amazing products by Mitti Se, like their laundry detergent, like their they have a raw mango dishwash powder. Their essential oils are just amazing. The citronella, the lemon.
hello.
Hello, sir. I think ma'am is facing some network issue. So she was asking what are the ways that you have opted for going to a sustainable lifestyle. So what are the options that you prefer if one wants to switch to sustainable lifestyle?
So it's sustainability. It has many aspects, many factors. It has to be see holistically each and every approach in whatever we do in our daily activities, whether it's food, whether it's transportation, whether it's our personal care things, home care things. So each and every thing, whatever we do in our in our day-to-day life, it has to be linked with sustainability. So you have to think like a conscious human being. You have to think like a responsible human, and you have to think like the way that whatever act you are doing, it is in harmony with your surroundings, with your nature, with the environment, and as well as with the humans, all with animal lives also. So in Mitti Se, we have started our journey from one product, which is a natural floor cleaner, disinfectant. So we developed this. We see usually in our like normal household, we used to like clean our floors with phenyl. It's every phenyl is everywhere, like in school, colleges, hospitals, and it's highly when you see the labels, it's highly toxic, carcinogenic material, and it's बहुत harmful effects, बहुत ज़्यादा harmful effects. And many developed countries they ban this product, phenyl, they have observed, they done the research के बच्चों में problem होने लगा था attention deficit disorder ADD, और जिसका main reason पाया गया कि phenyl was the main culprit. But here in India and जो developing nations हैं, और we are not very like sensitive about these things, but ultimately they are harming us, they are harming our children, they are harming our environment, they are harming our river bodies. So जो छोटे छोटे step हैं, so first we replaced these phenyls and cleaners with 100% natural substitutes, like I think you must be knowing oils like lemongrass essential oil, citronella, neem, pine oil. So all these oils are natural. They are
it
very
smells
good.
so good. It smells so amazing, right? The smell in the house. You don't need a room perfume or an home perfume. I think when you use these products, right, Faiz?
I'm not able to. What you said? I'm not able to hear.
No, I was saying that it smells really good. The fragrance that fills the air, and you don't really need a room fragrance or a home fragrance, apart from the fact that the feel good factor, because all these fragrances also, they have a positive impact on how we feel, right?
So it's directly linked with our like nervous system. They affect your nervous system. So it's very important to to have natural fragrances. Whatever fragrances you use natural fragrances. So just compare with phenyl. Now you are inhaling phenyl. So it's directly affecting your nervous system. तो वो जो बच्चों में मैंने आपको बताया एक प्रॉब्लम होने लगी थी अटेंशन डेफिसिट डिसऑर्डर, जिनको उनको रिकॉग्निशन की प्रॉब्लम होने लगी, वो मेमोराइज करना रिसर्च से पता चला उनकी मेमोराइजेशन पावर उनकी धीमे धीमे कम होने लगी। तो हम एज अ नेशन हम लोग आज के अगर अनकॉन्शियस इसी तरह से हम लोग यूज करते रहे केमिकल्स, तो हम ये देखेंगे कि हम अपने बच्चे को ब्लेम करेंगे कि तुम्हारा पढ़ाई में ध्यान नहीं लग रहा है, बट फिनाइल और ये केमिकल्स भी उसका एक रीजन हो सकता है। तो
And what about another example, apart from the floor cleaner? What about your dishwash powder? So Shivi, give me an example of products that you guys use, and let's ask Faiz how he, what are the options for that? For example, before I started using a healthier option for washing my dishes, we used to use a regular detergent for washing dishes without mentioning brands. I mean, some people use powder detergent, some people use liquids. Is Faiz with us? I think we're having some connectivity issues.
Yes.
Okay, so the difference that I find, number one, when we wash our dishes with an organic detergent, you see, no matter how much you wash the things, the residue that gets left behind, that's going into your food. I mean, and it's going into our bodies. The chemicals that we're eating, because of what we're using, we may want our glasses to be nice and shiny and oil-free. Yes, it takes a little bit getting used to when we use the organic detergents and the detergent powders. They're not as easy to use as a regular liquid detergent or a regular powder, because it's a little more. Sometimes we also put lemon. So when you use lemons in the house, to make nimbu pani or whatever, we normally store the lemons in a box in a freezer. The lemon, you know, the used up lemons that you've squeezed out. And then when the dishes are being washed, yeah, Faiz is back. So Faiz, we put those lemons along with the dishwashing powder into the, you know, to wash the dishes so that, you know, you have a cleaner glasses and cleaner plates. Because we were just talking about
Yes.
how the chemicals in the dishwashing liquid actually affects our bodies. Can you tell us something about that?
Very interesting. Lemon. When you see the like commercials, TV commercials, especially for dishwash, you see lemon is everywhere. और I think सबको मैं अगर मैं बोलूँ तो कुछ याद भी आ जाएगा. You see most popular brands, they advertise lemon. 100 नींबू की. तो but नींबू and जो lemon है, it's very good for and all. But so in most of these like normal like commercial brands, they are like they're not giving lemon in their dishwashers, but they know this lemon is sustainable. Lemon is a good cleaner. But in what we are getting very, very harmful chemicals, highly used linear alkyl benzene sulfonate, or you can say the other chemical is sodium lauryl sulfate. So SLS and SLES, these are those widely used chemicals, and they're full of toxic things like benzene. अगर हम आपसे कहेंगे कि if you do you want to use benzene in your food, so obviously सभी का आंसर होगा कि no, we don't want benzene. Benzene is very, very harmful. But though benzene compounds we using in a dishwash, which is very, very hard to remove when we rinse like dishes and all. और आप लोग मतलब देखते भी होंगे, it's very hard to remove. You see white layer जो कि हमारे dishes पे रह जाती हैं, and ultimately we are consuming those harmful chemical, toxic chemicals. So instead of using those chemicals, why not use lemon peel, lemon juice? So in mitti se, this is our responsibility to give 100% natural substitute. So we call in an industry greenwashing. Greenwashing is brands are using this green, eco-friendly, herbal ingredients just to advertise, but they're not giving 100% natural products. So if you want to live a sustainable organic life, so you have to go by the ingredients, check each and every ingredients of whatever product you are using, and you'll easily get to know this whether it is 100% sustainable organic, or is just few natural products and rest 90-80% again these harmful chemical products.
So which are the good things to look out for? For example, in either, let's talk about first about the dishwashing detergent. You said firstly, we should not have any of these chemicals, no sodium benzyl, and what are the good things that we should look for in a good dishwash?
It's when you like think about this natural product, any natural product, not only dishwash, just compare with your food. जिस तरह से हम लोग अपने फूड को देखते हैं कि हम ये सोचते हैं कि हमारा फूड जो है हमारी बॉडी में जाएगा, और अगर हमने इसकी क्वालिटी या इसमें अगर पेस्टिसाइड्स हैं या इसकी क्वालिटी लो क्वालिटी या इसमें केमिकल है, तो हमारी बॉडी को हार्म करेगा. सिमिलरली अगर हम जो हाउस होल्ड प्रोडक्ट्स या पर्सनल केयर प्रोडक्ट्स के बारे में भी इस तरह से सोचने लगे हैं, तो हमको एक आइडिया, एक कंपैरेटिव स्टडी हम कर सकते हैं कि ये नेचुरल हैं या केमिकल्स हैं. सबसे पहले जो हमको देखना चाहिए नेचुरल प्रोडक्ट्स में कि क्या उसके अंदर कोई ऐसे सर्फेक्टेंट्स नहीं यूज हुए हैं जो कि स्पेशली जितने भी सर्फेक्टेंट्स हैं पेट्रोकेमिकल बेस हैं, चाहे वो बेंजीन सल्फोनेट हो, चाहे वो सोडियम लॉरेल सल्फेट हो, या फिर ब्लीचेस हों, हार्मफुल केमिकल ब्लीचेस हों, क्लोरीन्स हों, या आर्टिफिशियल फ्रेग्रेंसेस हों. सिंथेटिक फ्रेग्रेंसेस हैं, और कुछ ऐसे प्रिजर्वेटिव्स भी हम लोग यूज करते हैं, कलर्स यूज करते हैं जो कि टॉक्सिक होते हैं। तो आपको जब तक कोई ऐसे इंग्रेडिएंट्स आपके प्रोडक्ट्स उसमें ले रहे हैं, तो यू शुड अवॉइड दोस केमिकल्स। और कोई ऐसे इंग्रेडिएंट्स, व्हेन यू सी थिंग्स लाइक रीठा, सोप नट पाउडर है, या नीम है, लेमन पील है, नॉन आई थिंक फ्रूट से लोग आजकल बहुत सारे बायो एंजाइम्स बना रहे हैं, एंड दे आर यूजिंग फॉर washing their dishes and toilets also. So these natural enzymes, so they are also very good cleaners. But apart from that, if there is something which is if you are thinking that you are using natural product and it is give lot of foam, lot of lather, and it is very stable, very you use only few drops and you are getting lot of lather. So it's not possible to have lot of lather in natural products. So
Exactly.
few small things you need to think like a food. Which food gives lot of lather? There is no natural ingredients which gives like lather which is compared to chemicals. So these small thing you need to see when you buy these products.
Very relevant. So we may be eating natural and eating organic food and eating very healthy, but even the detergent that we are using to wash our dishes, that is what is leaching chemicals into our food. So we talked firstly about what we are cleaning our house with. We talked about the floor cleaner. Use a better floor cleaner to actually, make sure that you don't have problems like attention deficit disorder in children, and it leads to a lot of stress and anger, a lot of other issues. Also using other products.
Yes,
right?
let me just. I have one recently we have got selected and started a pavilion in International Trade Fair, and I think from all over India 20 startups were selected, and there is another startup who was working on like child psychology, child neuro diseases, mental diseases. And they have shared one very like shocking data with us, and मुझे सुन के बहुत बुरा भी लगा, और it's quite painful. They're saying in India almost like 1 out of 100 child now, which is a newborn, is into autism. So autism is spreading in a very rapid pace, and they're fighting with the government to like enforce some laws to change the education system in schools, especially for autism. And when you think about autism, you see it like a genetic disorder. It's like a genetic disease. But when you see the root cause of what are the root cause of autism, so one major root cause of autism is chemicals. Chemicals are changing our genome, our genetic makeup. And when the child comes to this world, it has like defected genome. So they have to suffer with like genetic diseases, and autism is spreading in a very like with a very rapid pace. So level we have when we want our future like a healthy future, a sustainable future, so we have to like stop our like unsustainable activities now, because time is like it's going with a very rapid pace.
Yes, it's for our own health. Apart from the fact that all these leach into the ground, they leach into the walls, and they leach into every surface that we are living in. So you're breathing in those chemicals all the time. You may think that if you get your carpets cleaned by a very fancy, cleaner, and get them all these chemicals, what they're doing is you're living in the room and you're breathing in those chemicals, right? So the time-tested methods like using baking soda to take stains out of the carpet, and just using baking soda and brushing your carpets regularly, I think that's a really good option for people to use as well, right? But your day-to-day floor cleaner,
baking soda,
Yeah, your date list
vinegar.
is really important for you to choose wisely. So that's about the floor cleaner and the dishwash. So now what about your fabric cleaners? Because see, we want to, we want our clothes to smell good and we want to look good, but we don't think about what we wash our clothes with. You may be wearing the best quality cottons and silks, but again, your skin is actually absorbing the chemicals with which your clothes have been washed. So tell us about that, Faiz.
So I think skin is one of the like largest organ of our body, and we discriminate our like skin with like other organs. We take care of other organs, like we take care of our heart, we take care of our liver, stomach, but we don't treat our skin as an organ. We apply like without thinking whatever we apply on our skin and whatever we are using. We are very like not very conscious about whatever we are putting on our skin. So again, being our largest organ, it absorbs things. It has pore. So whatever you put on your skin, it gets absorbed in your body. It goes into your bloodstream, and it's again it's and you have to decide whatever you are like putting on your skin. It's good. So
And the same chemicals.
in laundry detergents.
Yes. The same chemicals do things
Yes.
like they damage your organs, they damage your lungs, they inflame your skin and eyes. Right? The
Yes.
chemical.
So yes.
Tell us about
So
them.
majority of laundry detergent powders, they are full of hard to like make laundry detergent without this acid slurry. It's like one chemical which is sufficient for cleaning, and rest whatever we get in laundry detergents are fillers. Almost like 90% are fillers. But this surfactant is very powerful. If you put only like 5% of this surfactant is enough for cleaning. So and these surfactants are very powerful, like because they have the property to change the surface area, और जो हमारा जो permeability होती है ना स्किन की, अभी हमारी स्किन में we have natural defense mechanism, जो कि हमारी बॉडी को we know we have fat, हमारी स्किन में फैट एंड लिपिड्स की एक लेयर होती है जो कि हमारे बॉडी को एक नेचुरल डिफेंस मैकेनिज्म प्रोवाइड करता है, सो दैट कोई भी बाहर की एक्सटर्नल चीज हमारी स्किन के अंदर एंटर नहीं कर पाती. बट व्हाट ये जो हमारे जो पेट्रोकेमिकल बेस्ड एसिड स्लरी और ब्लीचेस, ये जो केमिकल्स हैं, ये क्या करते हैं, हमारी जो फैट होता है हमारी स्किन का जो नेचुरल डिफेंस मैकेनिज्म है उसको डिस्ट्रॉय कर देता है. तो हमको कभी कभी रियलाइज नहीं होता है कि हमारा लॉन्ड्री डिटर्जेंट भी हमको हार्म कर सकता है. तो जस्ट टेक एन मैं एक छोटा सा एग्जांपल आपको कोविड से रिलेटेड दूंगा कि जब अभी कोविड आया तो हम लोग ने बहुत सैनिटाइजर यूज किया और बहुत सारी चीजों को प्रोटेक्ट करने के लिए सोप्स एंड ऑल यूज करे हम लोग. तो एक सैनिटाइजर का रोल होता है या ये सर्फेक्टेंट या सोप्स का रोल होता है कि जो भी बैक्टीरिया है और जो वायरस है उसको क्या करता है, उसकी फैट एंड लिपिड्स को डिसॉल्व कर देता है और वो डिस्ट्रॉय कर देता है. इन द सेम मैनर ये जो फैट्स एंड लिपिड्स होते हैं वो हमारी स्किन में भी होते हैं. तो जब हम ये हार्श केमिकल से या सर्फेक्टेंट से या हमारे जो लॉन्ड्री डिटर्जेंट्स में जो सर्फेक्टेंट्स हैं अगर आपके क्लॉथ में है तो हमारी स्किन के जो फैट्स एंड लिपिड्स हैं उनको डिस्ट्रॉय कर देते हैं. तो नेक्स्ट टाइम आपकी स्किन कहीं पे एक्सपोज होती है किसी अनहेल्दी सरफेस पे या किसी कंटामिनेटेड सरफेस पे, यू आर मोर प्रोन टू इन्फेक्शंस. So you have to think very smartly कि whatever we are using, what surfactants, क्योंकि surfactants are very powerful chemicals. क्योंकि they bring a like instant change. आपको instant glow चाहिए होता है लोगों को. They use harmful bleaches.
And
आपको instant
bleaches
result
can
मिलता है.
even cause eye damage up to blindness, apparently, right?
Yes.
And we use bleaches
it's
not only on our clothes, women use bleaches on their face, on their skin. So give us some options. So what can we use instead of a bleach to wash our clothes? First, tell us about what we can use to wash our clothes with, and then talk to us about how we can whiten or, you know, make them cleaner naturally.
So in Mitti se we have made this natural laundry detergent. So we are not using any of these petrochemical based surfactants. We are using this old traditional technology of cold processing soaps and all. So we make our detergent with the help of vegetable soap, coconut oil based soap, and we use this baking soda. We use this orange peel. We use some naturally occurring salts, and we have our R&D cell, which because detergents needs a certain pH level for cleansing. So we do our R&D, and we have optimized all the factors with natural ingredients. The main point is you have to optimize a formula with natural ingredients. So it's good, but for like and it's again, if detergency or cleaning washing clothes is also depend on your water quality. So if you have hard water in your like groundwater, in your supply water, use any that's water softener or some RO water you can use, and you can use like this soap nuts, baking soda, and other things to easily clothe your clothes naturally.
And for heavy staining, you know, like I have two boys, they go out, they get muddy, they play sports, they come back. So what I find is that soaking the clothes in warm water with baking soda and some salt, actually that works really well, you know, with even heavy stains, with blood stains, clothes, you know, curry stains. In fact, with curry stains, I've found as soon as you drop something on the clothes, if you just put lemon juice on it immediately, and then you just wash it regularly with soap, with the natural soap, you get the stain right out. You don't have to get it dry cleaned. And vinegar also works really well. So lemon juice and putting it out in the sun and just leaving it, you know, normally works really well on regular fabrics.
So most of these conventional laundry detergent, they use one optical brightener. So it's again a very harmful toxic chemical, optical brightness. So it gives you a very like for white, especially for white clothes, it's gives you a feeling of very clean and white clothes. But it's a delusion. It's not really cleaning. So whenever lights come on your clothes, it gets illuminated. So it's not natural cleaning. So cleaning your clothes with natural thing and putting it in the sunlight, it's a natural way of optical brightener.
And in fact, I mean, I've been using the Mitti Se laundry detergent for years now. And it's not, it doesn't give you, you know, foamy, frothy, lathered up, you know, to wash your clothes. But whether I use it in the washing machine or use it to wash clothes by hand, it is really good. It makes your skin feel good. You know, the clothes are soft and easy to wear. And, you know, it's a fantastic product. So congratulations. But when you became a chemical engineer, did you know, Faiz, that you would be sitting and going against everything that chemical engineers actually study? And how do you feel about that?
So from heart, I'm a naturalist. And from my education, I'm a chemical engineer. So Mitti Se it's a combination of both. So I have learned about these chemicals. I also work for some brands, very renowned brands, which we make these chemical products, FMCG products.
So but you actually saw firsthand, right? You saw the harmful effects. that these chemicals have on our body, on our atmosphere, on the earth?
So if you're not a sustainable, and if you are whatever activities you are doing which is like killing the environment, it's according to me it's the biggest crime. Like it's more than like killing a person, it's the biggest crime, because you are killing the whole society, you're killing the whole world. So it's our like responsibility to be a conscious consumer. तो एंड ऐसा नहीं है कि लोग यूज नहीं करना चाहते हैं. पीपल वांट टू स्विच टू अ नेचुरल एंड सस्टेनेबल लाइफस्टाइल, दे वांट टू यूज नेचुरल प्रोडक्ट्स, बट द प्रॉब्लम इज दैट कि दे आर नॉट गेटिंग द right product.
Yeah, they don't know where to find the products, right? Yes. And they don't know
at the end of the day, yes. जो हम लोग जो कुछ प्रोडक्ट वी आर यूज्ड टू ऑफ लाइक यूजिंग सम प्रोडक्ट्स, सो हमारा जो माइंडसेट है वो सेट है लाइक फोम. आपको वो सेटिस्फैक्शन नहीं होगा आफ्टर वॉशिंग योर हेयर्स या क्लोथ्स या सोप्स कि अभी फोमिंग नहीं हुआ. बट being a chemical engineer, that foam is not necessary for cleaning. There are other factors which are like which are required for cleaning. Just take an example of this gram flour or lentils powder. Like earlier in days we used to wash our face with like besan या मुल्तानी मिट्टी से हम लोग फेस वॉश करते हैं और बहुत ही अच्छा फेस वॉश होता था, उसमें फोमिंग नहीं होता था. बट अभी हमें जो एडवर्टाइज किया गया है ब्रांडिंग या हमारी जो कंज्यूमर का बिहेवियर चेंज हो गया कि हमको फोम इज नेसेसरी फॉर क्लीनिंग. एंड एक छोटा सा इंग्रेडिएंट है फोम एजेंट्स या फोम बूस्टर्स, और इसके आप अगर हार्मफुल इफेक्ट्स देखोगे कि जस्ट टू रिमूव फोम, जो वाटर कंजम्पशन था हमारा, इफ लाइक लॉन्ड्री जो कि आपका 15 या 10 लीटर्स वाटर में आपकी पूरी लॉन्ड्री हो सकती थी. फॉर रिमूविंग दोज फोम वी आर वेस्टिंग ऑलमोस्ट लाइक 50 liters water. So 5 times, or in some other processes we are like wasting 10 times more water just to remove this foam. और आप कभी भी किसी भी रिवर बॉडीज पे जाकर देखो, we have this Gomti river in Lucknow, and people who belongs to Delhi and other cities, they see these rivers, they're full of foam.
They're full of
foam. क्या करता है?
Because they wash, people go and they wash their clothes in the river as well, and it kills the natural, life in the rivers, and it clogs up everything. I mean, soap, it's a very, very harmful thing, right?
So foam is coming from a like domestic waste. It's a domestic chemical which we pour in rivers. तो अगर हम लोग ये होलिस्टिकली सोचना है ना, सस्टेनेबिलिटी के बारे में सोचना है, एक सस्टेनेबल लाइफस्टाइल के बारे में सोचना है, so we have to, whatever we are consuming, so we have to choose the right thing, right ingredients for whatever we are consuming. और एक दूसरा हम लोग का मिट्टी सेम एक इनिशिएटिव है टू थिंक लाइक ऐसा वी प्रमोट दिस मिनिमलिज्म आल्सो. तो you don't need to buy a lot of products for your requirement. Like if you like in mitti se, if you have this laundry detergent mitti se ka, so you can wash your even utensils, you can wash your clothes, you can wash your toilets. So a single product can be used in a multiple ways. So these two, like sustainability always comes with minimalism also. So we have to shift our consumerism behavior to minimal lifestyle behavior also.
That's an amazing concept. And I think over COVID, we all have learned how to live minimally. And I think it's a great time for us to make this shift, because it's not difficult. So we talked about what we can use to clean our homes. We talked about how to wash our dishes, how to wash our clothes. And you have also got amazing essential oils that we use after. Why do people use things like, camphor tablets to put in their cupboards? And what are the options of what you can put to keep insects away when you put your warm clothes away or in your cupboards in general? Give us an option for that.
So basically, camphor, it resembles like camphor, but actually it's a naphthalene balls, which we usually use in our like clothes, especially in urinals. We use those balls. It has very like neurotoxic carcinogenic material, naphthalene. It's very toxic. And or so there are alternates. There are good alternates which can be used as an insect repellent, pest repellent. You can use essential oils like lemongrass, citronella, neem leaves. You can use neem oil. You can like make your own lemongrass, citronella, neem based spray. Just mix in water and shake and spray in your clothes, in your bookshelves, even for plants also. You can use as a natural pesticides also. So
Yes, for
there
plants,
are good.
apart from neem oil, we also use, a chili, a paste
Yes.
of chili, which is sprayed on the plants, and
Paste
it's
of chili. You can use
garlic and chili.
yes, rock salt also. You can put a rock salt in some cloth bag, and it's good for like it's a good moisture absorber. So it makes you your area like smell or like bad smell free and all. Charcoal,
And now let's
activated
talk.
charcoal powder.
Yes, amazing. So
Charcoal
let's
powder.
talk about the regular. Now, see, we talked about the products that people don't think can be sustainable, like your cleaners. Now, of course, coming down to skin and hair care products. So you have amazing powders and liquids which one can use for hair and skin care. So talk about these products and the difference between these and regular products.
So as I said, Mitti Se believes in minimalism also, and we are making these 100% natural products. So, and we are treating our skincare as our food. As I said, our skin is one of the largest organ, and whatever you are putting on your skin, it goes in your bloodstream. It affects your body. So we try to make things, whatever we put as a skincare, as an hair care, it's 100% natural, food grade material. So when you see our face wash, so you can say it's like a edible grade face wash. So it has everything like which is not dangerous. It has lentils, it has orange peel, it has almond powder, neem, rose petals. So all these ingredients are very good for your skin. So we have made these beautiful formulations. You can and it comes in powdered form. In Mitti Se, we make only powdered product or oil based product. And there is a simple biology behind it. So when you compare your skincare or just take your any organic thing like your food, if it has moisture, it gets like decayed with fungus, mold, and bacteria. So just to preserve it, we keep it in powdered form. We even don't use like permissible preservatives. So these little things like make us different from other brands. Other brands, which there are many other brands, they have a lot of products, but natural products and 100% natural, there is a big difference between natural and 100% natural products. So if you are a 100% natural brand, or if you want to use 100% natural products, you cannot use this moisture based, liquid based products. It gets decomposed. It don't have any shelf life. If you want to use those liquid natural products, you have to make by your own, your daily skincare routine sort of thing. But as a brand, we are keeping these things in powdered form or either in oil form. Other thing in personal care is we choose our personal care by checking initially by fragrance and all. So for fragrance, these synthetic fragrance, whatever we like, they have very soothing smell. पहली बार में ही हमको बहुत अच्छी लगती हैं, बिकॉज दे डोंट हैव एनी ऑफ नोट्स. उसके अंदर सिर्फ गुड नोट्स होते हैं और वो पर्टिकुलर सिंथेसाइज की जाती हैं केमिकल से. बट उनकी स्मेल तो अच्छी होती है, बट दे आर नॉट गुड फॉर योर बॉडी. These synthetic fragrances are harmful. So in mitti se we are using natural essential oils, like essential oils of lavender, geranium, patchouli, basil. So, and other things are oils. You know this these days, like serums, whether it's face serums or hair serums, they are quite popular days. And when you see any serum, it has one base chemical, silicones. Silicones are, again, these are synthesized chemicals. They have very harmful effects. So in mitti se we have a very, very high grade oils like jojoba oil, sea buckthorn, avocado, this almond oil, wheat germ, argan oil. So we have made these formulations which are non-sticky, good for your skin, and our products are like healing products. We also believe in not making body shaming products. We also promote even we have face serum. We say that it's good for your dark circles, it's good for your wrinkles, it's good for your skin tightening, but we never say it's anti-aging. Aging is a natural process. So we don't make these shaming products. We not skin brightening product.
We don't need whitening and exactly, because these are just extra chemicals that people are putting into their skin. So Faiz, what is the first product that you used which made you think, which is the product that caused the shift for you? And then we have questions that our listeners are asking. We'll take those.
So as I said, our first product was mitti se natural floor cleaner. We replaced phenyl and chemical cleaners, and we also did lot of social activities. हम लोग schools में गए, play houses में जाते थे initially, just to explain कि यहाँ पे छोटे छोटे बच्चे हैं, आप phenyl का पोछा ना लगाया करें, यहाँ पे mopping में आप replace करें. And many school has adopted this natural healthy cleaning. Even many hospitals especially in southern part of India, they are using these natural cleaners in our hospitals.
Okay, so another question that we have from Mahima is that we were talking about how people want to use a foaming product. So you have these foaming face washes and all that being advertised all the time. So you did talk about some of your natural products, but specifically for everyday facial and skin cleaners, which is a product that can be used? This is what Mahima wants to know.
So, Mahima, what is your ultimate goal? Your ultimate goal is to have a very healthy and clean skin. So, if your product does not contains any foam, like you have to be foaming is not necessary. So we have this mitti se wild essence natural face wash powder. You can say it's like Upton sort of natural face wash powder. Simply you have to take a little bit in your palm. It has some dalein, multani mitti, orange peel powder, haldi, neem, rose petals, and many other natural ingredients. Just जो नॉर्मल फेस वॉश होता है और मिट्टी से के फेस वॉश में, उसमें दो डिफरेंस है. वो नॉर्मल फेस वॉश इट कम्स इन अ पेस्ट फॉर्म, in a liquid gel form or paste form. Our product comes in powdered form. You have to mix few drops of water to make a paste. That's it. One additional step and you are into sustainable zone.
And what about the face pack? How I mean, is it the same face? You have I think a clay face mask. What's the difference between these face packs and the artificial packs?
So artificial packs, they have some polymeric compounds. You see, peel off. There are a lot of peel off packs are popular these days. These peel off packs are they are plastic, they're polymers, and they have some base chemicals. They have humectants, और जो कि आपको initially you find your skin is pores cleaning and skin cleaning के लिए it's good, but it's again it's like it's pouring a lot of chemicals into your skin also. So we have black mud based clay mask. So this mud, they are very good. Especially मैं एक चीज और बताना चाहूँगा, using powders and liquid. तो वी हैव दिस पाउडर्ड फेस मड. तो पाउडर की एक प्रॉपर्टी होती है मैग्नेटाइजेशन. व्हेन यू मिक्स पाउडर विद वाटर, तो उसमें इट हैज सम मैग्नेटिक इफेक्ट. व्हेन यू अप्लाई ऑन योर स्किन, तो हमारी स्किन का जो टॉक्सिन्स होते हैं, इट गेट्स अब्सॉर्ब. सो आपकी स्किन डिटॉक्सिफाई होती है और आपकी स्किन नेचुरली क्लीन होती है. एंड वी हैव वन स्पेशल फार्मूला, एलो क्ले मास्क. इसमें वी हैव सोक्ड लॉट ऑफ एलोवेरा जूस इन ब्लैक मड, which is a very rare forest mud, जो कि अमरकंटक रायपुर से हम लोग प्रोक्योर करते हैं. और इतना एलोवेरा को उसके अंदर सोकिंग करते हैं, गेट सैचुरेटेड. सो इट्स इन लाइक ड्राई एलोवेरा जूस इन mud. So it's very good for your skin. So, and you can see the change in single use.
Wow, that's amazing. And another question from one of our people watching, they want to know how to fight acne. What are the products you have and what you recommend for fighting acne?
So acne has a lot of reasons. एक acne का reason होता है lot of free radicals in your skin. When it's due to age factor, it's due to pollution, it's due to lot of chemicals, due to unhealthy food and all. So whenever we have lot of free radicals, it gets deposit on your skin. your acne की problem वहां से शुरू होती है. तो we have face serum, जो जिसमें एक ingredients है जो कि high altitude herb है, सीबकथॉर्न. सीबकथॉर्न is very rich in antioxidants. It's a magical herb which is quite renowned. Even in DRDO, the DRDO research center, they used to give Sebuckthorn tea to Jawan when they go to the Siachen border and all. It's good for body oxygenation. So it's a quite very healing, very powerful herb. So and again, acne का एक और reason होता है, if you're using chemical face wash. तो केमिकल फेस वॉश क्या होता है, हमारी स्किन का जो नेचुरल ऑयल होता है उसको भी लेके निकलता है. तो उसकी वजह से ओवर सिक्रीशन ऑफ ऑयल हमारी स्किन में होता है, जिसकी वजह से धीमे धीमे पिंपल्स एंड एक्ने की प्रॉब्लम काफी बढ़ जाती है. सो इफ यू आर यूजिंग वेरी माइल्ड नेचुरल फेस वॉश लाइक मुल्तानी मिट्टी और बेसन, और यू कैन यूज मिट्टी से का फेस वॉश, तो आपकी जो स्किन का बैलेंस है, ऑयल बैलेंस है, वो मेंटेन रहता है और एक्ने की प्रॉब्लम नहीं होती.
So the way to use these powder products is, it's in a bottle and there's some powder. We just take out a little bit, mix that much in water and use that, right? We do not put water in the whole bottle, right? Because you don't have,
preservatives,
and then the whole thing will get spoiled. Okay, yes, that's great. I mean, I've been using them,
and there is one essential oil also.
Yes,
there is one essential oil also, tea tree essential oil. It's very good for acne and pimples. It's a magical.
So what do you use
for acne?
You put the tea tree oil directly on the skin, or you mix something?
So if you have rose water, or if you have normal water, take like almost 50 ml water and few drops of tea tree oil, like 4 or 5 drops. Make your, or you can use rose water also. Use rose water and tea tree essential oil blend as a skin toner, as a skin cleanser. So it works as a toner, as a cleanser, and it's good for acne also.
And I love the rose water by Mitti Se. Not only can one put it on one's face, but if you're making kheer or sivai or a delicious dessert, you add a little bit of the pure rose water in that, and it smells and tastes delicious. It's a fantastic product. And all their products are also available on LucknowFarmersMarket.com. There's another question, Faiz, that how do you improve hair quality? And do you have any product to stop hair fall?
Luckily, we have a very good anti-hair fall oil. And I think you must be knowing that we have won the prize in Harper's Bazaar magazine in 2019. Conscious Beauty Award we have got, especially this hair oil has won the prize. So it's again hair oil. Our hair follicles, our hairs are It's very sensitive. Like most of these conventional hair oils. In fact, since we are in Facebook Live, there are some brands which are putting almost 80% mineral oil. My God! So ultimately, you are putting petrol on your hairs. So तो वो जो प्रॉब्लम होती है ना, itchy scalp, dandruff, तो वहां से शुरुआत होती है, especially, and our hairs are made up of protein, and it has lipid layer also. It has lipids also, fats also. So if you're using petrol based products, so it ultimately धीमे धीमे it wipes off all your good fat and your hair become thin and आपकी hair fall की problem शुरू हो जाएगी. और दूसरा एक प्रॉब्लम डैंड्रफ. अगर आपको डैंड्रफ की प्रॉब्लम भी बढ़ गई है, आपका स्कैल्प, आपकी रूट्स कमजोर हो जाएंगे और हेयर फॉल की प्रॉब्लम शुरू हो जाएगी. So I suggest use any natural mild shampoo which is non-foaming, non-petrochemical based surfactants, and use hair oil. Take any other good cold processed oil, coconut oil, almond oil, and we have mitti se. We have this herbs infused anti-hair fall oil. It's almost like more than 100-year-old formulation. आज मैं उसका सीक्रेट भी चाहे तो यहाँ पे रिवील कर सकता हूँ. वो एक्चुअली हमारा इट्स लाइक ट्रेडिशनल, हमारी नानी उसको बनाया करती थी, और उनको भी ये रेसिपी ट्रांसफर करी उनकी मदर ने. इट्स ऑलमोस्ट लाइक 150 years ओल्ड पुरानी ये फॉर्मुलेशन है, जिसको वी डोंट कुक ऑयल. यूजुअली हम लोग क्या करते हैं, हेयर ऑयल्स बनाते हैं तो वी हीट ऑयल्स, एंड वी नो ऑन हीटिंग ऑयल्स गेट पॉलीमराइज, उनकी क्वालिटी डिग्रेड हो जाती है. सो वी हैव कोल्ड इन्फ्यूज्ड टेक्नोलॉजी in which we have some herbs, very renowned herbs like amla, shikakai, nagarmotha, harad, baheda, and we infuse with oils and essential oils of basil and all, and we have a very complete hair care. And we have natural shampoo also in powdered form. Like again, we don't put any chemicals, so it has all natural ingredients like shikakai, amla, nagarmotha, fenugreek seed. Hibiscus is very good for your hair conditioning and all. So you can use combination of both for your hair care.
Fantastic. Faiz, it is so impressive to see the work that you and your team at Mitti Se is doing. And one of the things that I love about Mitti Se is that your team is led by women. And I know that 90% of your staff is women, and a lot of them from underprivileged and underprivileged socioeconomic classes. So you are actually helping the world achieve the UN's Sustainable Development Goals as well by doing gender equality. So guys, when we buy Mitti Se products, not only are we being good to the environment and to our skin and health and body, but they are helping in clean water and sanitization, because they have natural and completely biodegradable products made from river-friendly formulations. They provide natural alternatives to cleaning homes and public spaces, because all these products are zero waste and they do not contribute to the landfills. They are a minimalist and zero waste and prevent water wastage company, and they are earth-friendly and plasticless. Their biodegradable products are just amazing. If you see their packaging, it's cardboard and it's, you have, I think, leaves. Their soap is packed in leaves. Tell us about your packaging. That's the last thing before our time. I didn't realize our 1 hour is already up. It's been so fascinating talking to you.
So we believe in Mitti Se that packaging sustainability comes with, it's a like holistic approach. Not only product is important, the way you make the product, the way you give your dispatches, each and every process has to be sustainable. So in Mitti Se we have taken this challenge to give 100%, almost we are like 99% plastic free brand, and we have इसमें हम लोग काफी efforts लगते हैं हमारे. We pack our soaps in fresh leaves, green leaves में पैक करते हैं. You use soap and throw the leaves, it's biodegradable. तो हमारे जो हम लोग जो dispatches करते हैं, जो couriers हमारे जाते हैं या जो online orders जाते हैं, उसमें we don't use bubble wraps, we use paper shreds. We use recycled newspapers. We use paper tapes. और बहुत छोटी छोटी चीजों का ध्यान हम लोग देते हैं, क्योंकि not only making of the product is important, packaging contributes a lot. हम लोग जानते होंगे ना, we are like fighting for plastic. So तो मिट्टी से हम लोग सोचते हैं how can we like an organic products comes in plastic, it's not 100% sustainable. So if you are organic and you're also plastic free, so it's a complete holistic approach of being sustainable brand. So it takes a lot of effort, but we are quite happy that we are the only brand which is 100. We are stick to our values.
Fantastic. So you can, do business ethically, and it's amazing that, it's wonderful that you are such a responsible organization and you care about the environment and your impact. So one last question, which I can't resist but ask because it's been asked. You talked about sanitizers. So what is the natural alternative to using a sanitizer? When we are at home, of course, we should wash our hands, but when you're not, what can you use?
There like multiple ways to sanitize your things for hands and all. There you can use this Fuller's Earth Multani Mitti as a powdered hand wash. You can, if you have neem oil, if you're not like using food and all, you can make your neem spray as a natural sanitizer. Neem lemongrass spray. And if you have very, very mild,
so I hope that the next product that you're going to be developing, Faiz, is going to be a natural sanitizer and disinfectant, because that's something that everybody needs right now. We seem to have lost Faiz right now, but it's so fascinating looking into the world of a chemical engineer who now develops natural products and products that actually are earth and skin and body friendly. I mean, not only are the floor cleaners good for us and our homes, but they are better for our pets, and they prevent insects, and we notice much less ants and cockroaches and all because of using these natural floor cleaners. So thank you so much, Faiz. It's been an amazing interaction. Can we get Faiz back, Shivi? Is he here? And thank you all for listening. Remember that all the Mitti Se products are available on lucknowfarmersmarket.com. And I myself have been using their products for years, and many of my team and my friends, and we absolutely love the products. So
he's back.
Oh, here you are, Faiz. So thank you so much, Faiz, for being here. It's been an amazing interaction, and it's wonderful learning about the products you are making and the service that you are doing for the world. One session isn't enough. We have to come back again.
Definitely. Yeah. I would love to come and share my experience more.
Great.
Thank you so much. Thank you for inviting me. It's lovely to be here with LFM team, and all the best to Lucknow Farmers Market. You team are very it's full of energy, and you are really taking this thing very responsibility for the sustainable world, and to make this world a sustainable place to live.
Thank you, because the responsibility is with each one of us. It's every product that we use, whether on your skin, on your hair, on your body, on the floor, in your home, or in every way. Each product we use has an impact on our health and the environment. So let's choose better products and live healthier and more sustainably. Thank you all so much.
Thank you so much. Bye. Take care, everybody.
Bye, everyone.